Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video viewers, I will share you viewers plastic watercraft ideas. Viewers, I will share you. So I hope you enjoy my videos. So viewers, let's start today's video. So friends, my first idea is so friends. So friends, my first idea is viewers, turn an all plastic bottles into a flower pot. Cut the bottle, paint it in bright color, and plant your favorite flowers. It looks beautiful in the garden or on a balcony. Next, make a pencil holder. Cut the top part of a bottle and decorate it with paint, paper, or stickers. It keeps your text neat and organized. You can also create a bird feeder. Cut small opening in the bottles. Add bird food and hang it outside. Birds will love visiting your garden. Another great idea is a hanging planter. Cut a bottle side, fill it with soil and plant small flower or herb. Hang it with draw for a lovely wall decoration. Make a piggy bank from a plastic bottle, decorate it with paint, and make a small flower to on top for coins. It helps the children learn to save money. And viewers, my next idea is friends, you can even create a beautiful lampshade. Cut the bottle into flower shape and arrange them together. The finished design looks unique and stylish. So viewers, I hope you enjoy my videos. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel, press the bell icon for more latest updates, viewers. So viewers, I love you. See you in the next video. Take care.